Allow the parliament to function. Don't make it dysfunctional.
Ruckus and sloganeering continues on day 5 of winter session of Parliament. After a washout in the first week, Parliament resumed proceedings on Monday morning. Both houses saw similar scenes of disruption. First, the Rajya Sabha was adjourned for the day. The Lok Sabha followed soon.
आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है.
The opposition is insisting on discussion on issues like Gautam Adani's indictment in the US, violence in Sambhal, ethnic clashes in Manipur. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh accused the ruling BJP of running away from debate.
पहले 1 घंटे 2 घंटे नारेबाजी हुआ करती थी, हम मुद्दे उठाते थे, हम वेल में जाते. हम देख रहे हैं इस सत्र में, क्योंकि अडानी के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, मणिपुर के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, अजमेर और संभल के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, इसीलिए पूरे तरीके से कोशिश की जा रही है कि सदन न चले.
The divide in the opposition ranks was evident, with the Trinamool Congress skipping the meet chaired by Mallikarjun Kharge. While the Congress is primarily on Adani, the TMC wants discussion on Bangladesh and Manipur crisis.
हाउस चलना चाहिए. TMC has many burning issues including their state, and it is the responsibility of the major ruling party to see that the house runs. They are showing their not interest that the house runs, and the house belongs to the opposition. But this BJP government is not in a mood also to run the house.
Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla convened an all-party meet in an attempt to break the deadlock. The government has agreed to a discussion to mark 75 years of framing the constitution. The washout is costing the taxpayer heavily. Each minute of running parliament costs the exchequer 2.5 lakh rupees. If we assume that parliament functions for 6 hours daily, then the total cost of running parliament per day is around 9 crore rupees. Going by these numbers, around 45 crore rupees taxpayers' money has been lost already. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar was expected to brief the House of India's relation with China in the light of the recent agreement on the line of actual control, but that is now likely to happen on Tuesday.
It seems like the logjam is just about to get over. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla gave time to all the floor leaders of the opposition parties, spoke with them and told them that there is a process that they need to follow. In the process, they need to tell the discussion topic on which they want the discussion to happen. In 0 hour, what are the things that they want to raise? Once all those things have been cleared, then they will be given the adequate time, and they will be given time so that they can raise all the questions that they want to.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.